Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Toyota Previent Motorhome, a masterpiece of design and engineering. This motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and technology. First, let's talk about the interior. Toyota is known for its reliability and smart design, and the 2026 Previent Motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends modern aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are of premium quality, from eco-leather seating to fine wood accents. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a high-end surround sound system, and wide panoramic windows for breathtaking views on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with the latest smart appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, an energy-efficient refrigerator, and even an induction cooktop for convenient cooking. The bedroom with a king-size bed offers unmatched comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features modern fixtures with water-saving technology, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home, even when you're on the move. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Previent Motorhome is a striking combination of elegance and functionality. With its sleek aerodynamic design, it improves both efficiency and handling. The exterior is finished with a durable high-gloss paint, which not only looks stunning, but is also built to withstand the elements. The large retractable awning creates a perfect outdoor lounge space, while the custom alloy wheels and bold Toyota emblem add a touch of class. The motorhome is built on a reinforced yet lightweight platform, making it easy to maneuver without sacrificing strength or stability. Every exterior detail has been carefully engineered, ensuring that this motorhome commands attention wherever you go. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Previent Motorhome is powered by Toyota's next-generation hybrid powertrain, combining a 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine with an electric motor for remarkable efficiency and power. Whether you're cruising long highways or exploring challenging routes, this motorhome delivers a refined driving experience. The hybrid system paired with an adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride even on rough terrain. The Previent also comes with Toyota's advanced ECVT system for seamless gear transitions, balancing fuel economy and performance. Additionally, it features Toyota's Safety Sense Pro with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and intelligent parking systems, making it one of the safest and easiest luxury RVs to drive. It's a perfect mix of eco-conscious engineering and reliable performance. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota Previent Motorhome is positioned as a premium, yet more accessible option compared to some ultra-luxury rivals. With a starting price of around $250,000, it offers outstanding value for those seeking comfort, technology, and reliability in one package. The price includes Toyota's bespoke features, the innovative hybrid performance, and the dependable craftsmanship that Toyota has built its reputation on. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're choosing a lifestyle backed by Toyota's trusted legacy. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Previent Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of comfort, performance, and cutting-edge hybrid technology. Whether you're planning an adventurous road trip or seeking a modern luxury experience on wheels, the Toyota Previent delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.